Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do reading for Virgo Earth sign, your person current feelings and their actions in the month of October. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your person current feelings towards you. Virgo, okay. 8 of Cups, 8 of Pentacles, 2 of Cups, 5 of Pentacles. Definitely there is separation between both of you because 5 of Pentacles and 8 of Cups. Definitely there is separation. Still you both love each other. 2 of Cups and 8 of Pentacles. Definitely your person want to work on this relationship. In past they couldn't, but now they are thinking to work on this relationship. Or for some, your person right now concentrating on their career. For some, definitely your person have emotions for you, they have love for you, and they want to work on this relationship. Definitely there is separation because 5 of Pentacles and 8 of Cups is here. So your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, lot of earth energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, water energy is also here. So let's see your person near future actions towards you. Virgo, Wheel of Fortune, 2 of Wands, the Hermit, High Priestess. I am not seeing any action cards here. Basically, Wheel of Fortune, definitely things are turning in your person's favor and they are thinking about you a lot. This could be long distance relationship. Also 2 of Wands, the Hermit. Yes, they are spiritually awakening regarding this connection. They are knowing your worth after the separation. High Priestess, definitely there are some secrets hidden in this connection and they are thinking to take action towards you. This will take time because Wheel of Fortune, this is also for good change. Definitely they will make a move towards you after the Hermit mode is completed. Which once they spiritually awaken, definitely they will make move towards you. Until you have to be patient and balanced. Under the deck, 5 of Cups, definitely they are feeling very sad for the separation between both of you. So let's pull some more cards from the universe regarding the connection. Virgo, Judgment, yeah. Temperance, 7 of Swords, Justice, yeah. This connection want second chance. You both want second chance, I am getting. But there is one person in this connection is non-communicative or miscommunication or false communication. Some sneaky energy is here. This energy is not good. Definitely this has to be, I think it you person, that's why they are spiritually awakening. After the spiritual awakening, they want second chance with you. Judgment, definitely they want second chance and they want reconciliation. For that they have to be patient and balanced because one person putting a lot of effort, it could be you. So it's up to you to give second chance your person or not, but they will ask second chance after the awakening. So Virgo, it's up to you to give your chance, another chance to your person. So this is the reading for you, Virgo. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.